What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So guys, today I want to do a protective hairstyle. So I want to cornrow my hair all back. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty short, so it's been a little bit struggle to cornrow this hair, but I'm going to use a little bit of hair just to make sure the hair is insecure. So I've already done two, and this is how it looks. It's not perfect, the lining is not straight. I just want to have something when I cornrow the hair, something that I can put the crochet pin through. So I'm also going to put a mesh, like those cap on top, but I just want to like cornrow. So I have my hair like this. This is the hair I'm going to use. I'm going to join these two pieces together, hold it, and then divide this one into two, put my finger in the middle just to braid. And some of you guys already know how to braid. If you don't know, just watch how my hands go. It's kind of a bit complicated to explain, but I'm just you guys can see, divide the hair into three. I'm just going to take the hair like that, so I'm just going to braid it small. I try not to braid it very tight because I can't stand a very tight hair, so it's a little bit loose. My hair is very short. It's like super short. I'm just a little bit tired of always doing slick back, doing gel, so I want to try something different. And my root is getting a little bit thicker as well. My natural hair is growing again, which I was like, yesterday I almost wanted to cut my hair off. But then I was like, you know what, let me do protective hairstyle. And then when I took it out, if my natural hair has grown a little bit longer, then I would just cut the relaxed hair off, or maybe just leave it and transition again into natural hair. I'll continue relaxing. I really do not know, honestly speaking. I just want to have fun with my hair. I'm gonna turn around to show you guys how it goes from this side. Like I said, the lines are not straight, so excuse that. Whew. Yeah, so we braid that. It's okay. Guys, this is a week later. This is what the container is looking like. As you guys can see, the water has absolutely changed colors. And I really like it. I leave it for a little bit longer than a week. So now it's time to drain the water and put it into the spray bottle. I really love using herbs on the kids' hair because herbs also have good benefits, not only on the inner body but also on the outside. And I really love the smell of this product. The smell is beautiful. I close it very tight, so I need to open that. And I really love the smell. It's really nice, you guys can see. Now I'm just going to drain it to make sure I don't have any of those stuff in the bottle. You guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm just going to drain everything, and I'm going to put it into this container. And it's going to be so easy when it's time to do the kids' hair, instead of just using the tap water, because you guys know I live in Holland. The tap water sometimes do have some chemicals in there, and it can really be harsh for the hair. So having stuff like this, which also really helps, and especially on the kids' hair, I can see like really difference. Their hair looks more healthy, more strong. Their hair doesn't really break easily, and I really love it. So I'm just gonna put it into this container, and I'm gonna start using it. I may do a tutorial, maybe show you guys my morning routine on the kids' hair when they're going to school, and show you how I use this product on their hair. But it's just like how you use your normal leave-in conditioner spray. That's the same thing I do with this one. So I have a little bit remaining over. I'm gonna pour it into the other container. So I use this the same way you do a leave-in conditioner spray. I just spray it on the hair, put some moisturizer, comb the hair out. I never really comb the hair if the hair is dry. I always make sure I spray the hair when the hair is a little bit wet, put some moisturizers, put some cream in the hair, and then I kind of comb it out and style the hair. So this is the finished result. This is the end product. I really like it. If you guys have tried this on your natural hair, please let me know in the comment box. I really want to know how you guys use it, but this is how I use it. And I also sometimes do make tea with it. My hands are tired. My hands are getting tired. The hair is so short. And it itches. Whew. Kind of tired. Whew. It has been such a long time. I think I tried to get this mini tiny hair looking like this. I think I tried. I think I'm trying, because my hands are tired. Guys, so this is what it is. I'm going to finish it, and I'm about to show you guys the finished result. So please stay tuned. Team Fullers, this is the finished result. It's been a while since I braid my hair like this. My hair is pretty short, but this is the finished result. This is what it's looking like. I kind of braid everything and tuck it in the back. So this is what the hair is looking like. It's looking beautiful. Excuse the noise, my daughter is here, so she might make noise. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So now I'm about to do some crochet braid. I'm about to do some crochet braid, but I'm super excited. I got some baby here at the front. Okay, be actually still. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and tell me what do you guys think of my TWA Cornrow. I use a little bit of hair so that it stays strong, but I'm gonna put a net on top of it. I'm gonna try as much to leave this protective hairstyle for months, because I really want to leave my hair. I don't want to manipulate my hair. So let's see after a month what my hair will look like. I did put some oil on my scalp. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay in fullest. Peace out. Bye. Doei.